Hi guys, it's HandyRadio here. In front of us is a Quansheng TG-K4AT open bracket UV close bracket. One of the most awkward names. Basically, it's a dual-band transceiver FM, so it's 136, 174, 400, 470. So let's take a look inside this box of the TG-K4AT UV. User's manual, wrist strap. This is the SMA female dual-band antenna. It's quite long there as well. And the desktop charger. You get the flat 2-pin plugs. So for the UK, or indeed for the European Union, you need an adapter for that. The belt clip and the 2 little screws to fit onto the back of the radio. And the Quansheng TG-K4AT. It's a TG-K4AT UV. What a stupid name. Anyway, let's have a look at the radio itself. We are very familiar with the Baofeng UV5R series and we know the size, so I'm going to use that as a reference radio. I'm going to put the Quansheng next to it so you can see it's taller, it's wider, and as you can see it's slightly thicker as well. So does all that beefed up body give it more functions or features, something that the Baofeng doesn't have? It's noticeably better quality than the Baofeng, and it just looks different. I mean, if all your friends are using Baofengs, you may just consider a Quansheng that's slightly, unique in a way, because you don't see many of these. There must be some similarities. Both radios were made in the same city in southern China, and I guess the factories, one of them got a little bit lazy and just say, well, you know what, can we borrow your software for our radios as well? And one of them said, why not? If you go into the menu options, although the buttons in different places, and the up and down arrows slightly different place. Yes, you guessed, all the menu options are exactly the same. Same numbers, same name. So both of them have 40 different menu options. So what about the battery? Well, the Quansheng comes with a 2000 mAh battery, and the Baofeng standard one, our trusted BL5, has 1800 mAh. But as you can see, the Quansheng is a little bit thicker with the battery. In terms of quality, like I said, it is noticeably better than the Baofeng because it's all the plastic seems to be good quality, and when you open the speaker mic USB, the programming connection point, you've got a little hinge here, so the little rubber door there is hinged, but I don't know why they need it so big though, because it's only that much they need it. They don't need the whole side to be open and flip like that. Okay, so let's go through some of the buttons on the front here. You have the band. Now with this one you have to press the band button to change between VHF and UHF, as some other radios you can just type in. For example, I won't be able to type in a 460 megahertz because I have to change the band first, okay, to change that. So let's change it back to the VHF band. The next button is AB switch, so between A band and B band you can have both of them on VHF or both of them on UHF, or one VHF or one UHF. It's up to you. Here you have your channel mode, frequency mode. your channel mode and the frequency mode. It's quite large, a VA4 and memory button here. You got your menu button, up and down, and exit at the bottom here. Standard keypad. On the left hand side you have your PTT, emergency call, and monitor button. Back to radio, like we said earlier, the batteries are slightly thicker. It's 2000 milliamp hours. And top the radio, oh yes, you do have, you have the FM broadcast, and you have a LED light, just like the Baofeng radios. So all in all, it's a good quality radio. If you want to be different and look different, and if you like the color orange, you will love this one. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.